Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can turn on your phone without using the power button. Let me show it to you. So here you can see this is a Galaxy S5. I connected it to the charger and it's absolutely fine. It's charging, but the downside is I cannot turn it on because the power button is not working. But I have a trick for you. In most phones, you just need to hold the volume down button and then put in your charger, connect it to your power bank or your power socket. But for S5, you need to hold the volume down as well as the home button together and then plug in your charger to turn it on. Let's do it. Press and hold the volume down and home button, plug in your charger and then select the restart option, the volume down. Here you go, it's turning on as you can see here. Now your next question must be that once the phone is on, how will I be able to lock the phone without using the power button? So I will tell you how you can do that. Just wait. Okay, let's do it. So we've reached the home screen. Just go to settings, accessibility. Okay, man. And turn on the assistant menu. Okay, turn it on. It has appeared now, as you can see here. Now go to the assistant menu and you have various options: recent apps, back, lock. As you can see here, you can lock your screen here and you can set the volume and you can even take screenshots with it. So here you go, your problem is solved. As you can see, the button is not able to lock the phone. It's not working. I will lock it from this button. Here we go. So if you like the video, please do share it to others. It's a very unique technique I learned today, so I decided to share it with you guys. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.